Hello, I'm Paul Haynes, Key Account Manager from Zest. Zest is a fifth-generation British designer and manufacturer of award-winning, innovative timber garden furniture, decorative garden structures, planters and grow-your-own products. Zest's natural and handcrafted approach is inspired by today's appreciation of outdoor living and the renewed importance of well-being. We are well known for our innovation and anticipating tomorrow's trends. We design products for comfort and style made from sustainable, slow-grown softwood, which is sourced from PEFC certified forests. This shows our commitment to sustainability and the environment. At Zest, we have a dedicated sales team of professionals covering the UK and Ireland with a national distribution network to support retailers. Our aim at Zest is to be the supplier of choice, offering outstanding customer service as well as on-trend quality timber garden products. Stockists and online retailers can benefit from an extensive range of marketing assets, including product and lifestyle imagery and videos, point of sale, animated assembly guides and modular merchandising units. As a retailer, you can access these through the Zest trade section of the website. No login or password is needed. Simply download what you require to support your business. When placing orders, there are various options offering complete flexibility, so you can order exactly the numbers you need. You still get great quality and a great trade price. For even better savings, factory direct in bulk is also available. Why choose Zest? Well, with Zest, you're dealing with an award-winning, market-leading supplier. All Zest products are pressure treated to ensure protection against the elements. All furniture and decorative structures are guaranteed against rot for 10 years. Zest designs products for easy assembly, saving the customer time with excellent assembly instructions and with online animated videos, so customers can build items at home with confidence. Zest, with its main supply partners, is dedicated to replanting and nurturing woodland habitat and is collaborating on planting schemes and supporting the nurture of wildlife habitat in Europe as well as the UK. As a business, we're focused on maximising sustainability and reducing CO2 emissions. All of our offices and warehouses are heated by biomass boilers using wood chip from waste wood. Every suitable roof has solar panels installed and rainwater is reused wherever possible. Zest is focusing on the continuous improvement of the way we transport products from importing into the UK through to home delivery. All loads to stockists are filled to optimum levels as the products are designed using the design for manufacturing and assembly principles. This means there's more stock on the vehicles, therefore reducing the number of road miles. Smart routing plans minimise miles travelled, and efficient packing and loading reduces the number of wagons required and therefore CO2 emissions. Zest has supported the community for many years and has had a dedicated annual chosen charity since 2010 and has raised over £150,000 for well-known charities including the British Heart Foundation, Meningitis Now, Alder Hey Hospital, Alzheimer's and Dementia UK. We are also proud to be accredited Investors in People. And that's Zest. Our ongoing goal is to be the supplier of choice by providing high quality, sustainable garden timber products and to enhance the outdoor living experience.